Okay, to change your roll on a Meto XL gun, take the new roll. Well, firstly we have to get the old roll out. So what we can do is tear this paper here and pull the tail out. Then open the two side slides and then that pops open. And then take the old roll out. To do that we can push these outwards like so and pull this roll out. Now to load the new roll, we can put a crease in the paper to make it easier so it's stiff. Everything's still open and we need to go through that big hole there. So what we can do is the labels go face up through the gun and then that one can go all the way through. And then we split this open like this and we can slide the roll in. Turn the gun upside down and then pull out about 15-20 centimeters of labels and then click this closed. Now the last thing we can do is we can actually leave the labels on with this gun and we need to go into this spot here where the arrow is. Straight into there. Push it in with your fingers as you click the trigger. And then once it gets to this position here, take this label off and this label off